Amazon man just dropped off my bike here. It's a Lectric 2.0 XP to replace my E Lux, beautiful army green E Lux fat tire. This one I bought on Lectric, Lectric. I'm going to go ahead and do a review, bring this down to the pier on the beach and cut it up and put it together. Down here at the beach, Capo Beach. And it has some room to unbox and set up the old Lectric e-bikes. And I also bought what they call the comfort package. Yeah. A lot of people have asked me to review this, but how easy it is for them to get it at home and then unbox it and put it together themselves without having to spend $100 at the local bike shop. So let's give that a shot, see what we can do. Boom, boom, boom. There's inside the box, got the seat cover right here. The bike obviously is folded. It's up against here, this plastic thing here. It's got this cable here. Got the seat there, and then we got a little box of goodies right here. Oh, it's the charger. Comes in one folded bike. Okay. Comes out here next to me. Give me a hand with lifting this bike. I could probably do
grab it right by that, and I'll grab this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there we go. Thank you so much.
Right.
I appreciate it.
Folded.
It says it's about 70 pounds. Boom. Okay, that was exciting. This is Capo Beach, unlike San Clemente. Capo Beach is full of a bunch of rocks. It's kind of hard to just jump right in without having to fight all that shit coming back in. So I had to jump in and get cooled off in between the review. Let's get to work and get this thing unboxed. As we take Okay, so you take this, put it up like that. There you go. This up. You open it. Obviously, you all know that this, when you open these things, they tighten this up, and you can always loosen them with this thing here. So let's slowly grab these handlebars so we don't damage these. And already a couple of things I like that they didn't have on my E Lux. At least I didn't see it, I should say. I shouldn't say that right off, is the insert bar has the inches, so you can get used to what level you like this at. Okay, and you can see this little flat edge, and you got the little flat edge right here too, so self-explanatory, very easy so far. Take this, snap that close. Wow, pretty easy. This seat came with it, so I'm going to go ahead and put this seat back here, and that's locked up. Here she goes. I mean, I just took, like I said, just pushed the handlebars into its socket, put the seat up and down, unfolded it back together, locked it in. This is the lock that you got to get used to right here. And I just close that like that, and that's locked. And pretty simple here with the pedals. You see how they fold it like that? You just unfold it like taking it out of the box. All the work was unplugging or cutting off the tie wraps. Is in here. So here's the kit there. Obviously, in the box, a little kit comes a owner's manual for the Lectric XP 2.0. Remember, Lectric, L-E-C-T-R-I-C, not electric. Lectric XP 2.0. And the step through means that you're able to step through here, not have to worry about putting your fat ass behind the seat and your foot up over the seat and end up falling over. Comes with the regular AC adapter, and I think it takes about 4 or 5 hours to charge. And there you go, guys. Pretty simple. The AC adapter, the AC adapter instruction, and then the owner's manual for the Lectric 2.0 XP. This is cool because here's where your charger goes. I love that. And I'll tell you what, kind of like the other box I had. It was pretty cool. Plugs right into there, and you plug that into the wall, and this light will be red while you're charging and green when it's fully charged. You got your gears 1 through 7. It's real simple. You go boom, move. You always want to make sure you're pedaling when you move this up to 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th gear.
12 o'clock, up and down.
That means that the button is, you can see here. See this little lock right here that's protruding outside? That means it's in the. So always look at the owner's manual. It goes over all the settings on this thing. I'll go over some of them with you. But in the meantime, press on and run it. This little power button right here is the power button. This is the one up and down button. Hit the power button, hold that in for about 3 seconds. Power's on. Then you come over here and see this plus and minus right here. Hit the plus button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, power assist. And then you have the minus button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0. And my safety recommendation, even on my previous bikes, is always have this thing at 0. Okay, so that's the pedal assist. So you have the odometer reading right here. Miles, pedal assist 0. Miles per hour, the speed, and then the energy bar. Next thing on here, you can get hold down the positive button, and you see the light symbol came on there, and that means that your headlights that come with the bike, by the way, which is really a plus. On my last bike, the rear view light was there, but there was no headlight, so just a little FYI. And then you hold the power button down again, and the light goes off. So that's the odometer, right? We went over that. And if you notice, if you hit here and you click now all these things are in your user's manual. Not an engineer or mechanic. I'm just going it as if it's Joe Schmo here driving the bike. You take the power button, you just click it once. You see it goes down to the trip. You'll see the current trip you're on. And then the voltage of the bike, the current of the bike, and then a timer, your trip timer. So on this thing, it's 2 minutes and 57 seconds, or 3 minutes now since I've had the actual bike, the LCD power on, and then back to the odometer. On the power button and the plus button at the same time, and you'll see it will tell you what your max speed is during the trip, and hold it down again, and it will tell you what your average speed was during the trip. That's pretty cool. Just press it down again, you go back to the normal menu. And display also has advanced settings. And I got to talk to you before about what the advanced settings are. It's real simple. You hold the plus right here, plus and the minus symbol together, and you'll see right now you can go all the way up. I think that there's 20-something different settings. All that we already talked. Advanced settings, number 11. That's, remember, you hold the plus and minus down. Advanced setting number 11. Advanced setting number 11 is set to 8. That means that it's I always set this to 5. This is basically the pressure that once you put your foot down, and whatever, say you're in pedal assist number 1 through 5 or whatever it is, the sensitivity level of you touching this pedal ignites the motor. So if you set this to 5, it's like a medium thing. But if you put it down to, if you set this, say you set this down to a higher number, like number 8 or number 9, it'll take a lot of pressure from you hitting this pedal for the motor to come on. So if you're not strong, or you know, it depends on who's on the bike, you want to set that for that comfortable level of that person. Right now I'm setting number 5, where basically it takes me like 1 push down rotation to get the motor running. Okay, see how your odometer's set to 18. If you want to, you can go to your advanced settings, go to setting number, I think it's number 16, and see it's at 18 miles now. If you hold the plus sign down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, it drops down to 0, and there you go. That's how you reset your odometer. And you'll be taking this bike, since it is like 50-60 pounds. Say you're walking up a hill and you want to, instead of just pushing the bike itself, you can go into the advanced settings, go up to number 21, and then you can put this in 0, which is the walk mode, and then 1 is walk mode enabled. Walk mode means that when you put it into a 1 and you're walking with this bike, or you're in 0 and you're walking up the bike, it's going to give you a little help in moving the bike. What's cool is, what I like about this, didn't have on the other ones, is the cruise control. So say you're cruising down the road and you're doing about 10, 15 miles an hour, and you have the throttle going about 10 or 15 miles an hour. So while you're holding the throttle at that speed and you're maintaining that comfortable speed on your manometer, hit the minus symbol on here, your odometer I should say, put the minus symbol on here, and that cruise control will be set to 15 or whatever you're cruising out. Now once you hit the brake, just like your car, it will deactivate. Most important stats on this thing, and what everybody wants to know when you're on one of these bikes, is what's the range you get on a battery. Well, if you have a full battery and you're in, say, level 5, which is pedal assist number 5, that basically means pure throttle use, mostly assist level 5, get up to 25 miles an hour. Now, if you put this down to 3, that basically means little use of the throttle and mostly assist number 3. I mean, you're pedaling it, so you're helping to save the battery. Now, you go down to 1 and 2, very little use of the throttle and mostly your pedal assist. It says you can get 45 miles. I'm going to give that a check, but we'll see down the road. There it goes.
Hey guys.
22. It took me maybe 20 minutes, not even that, 15-20 minutes to get this out of the box. Took my time with some parts of it, but took about 15-20 minutes. We got the tires inflated to 22, 25. I got the key over here. You see it? Key's at 12 o'clock. Got to have the key in there, so I'm going to do something about that. I don't kind of like that key being down there, especially riding a bike. You know, you get different positions there, but who knows? Power's on. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. Put this in 1 or 2. Yeah, I got it in 4. Took it down to 1. 0 right now. This is a big thing for me. This 0 passenger pedal assist and being able to pedal like this. Let's see if I can bring it down. I got it in 4 gear, and I'm pedaling, which is what I've always wanted to do. It's still a little hard to pedal when this is 0. I mean, I'd like to, you know, let's see what happens if I turn the power off. Power is completely off. I'm pedaling like a regular bike. Not bad. I can live with this. I'm pedaling. With the other electric bike that I had, I could not pedal at all. I mean, I could pedal, but barely. This thing I'm pedaling, and I'm going pretty good. I'm comfortable with the pedal here. If I wanted to just ride around, you know, I can make it home pedaling like this because it's flat from here to here. So let's turn this back on again. I'm in one, and one is good. Oh, this is really exciting because I know you're saying, well, exciting. Yeah, because on my other bike, when I had it in one, I could barely go anywhere. This thing, I'm moving. And I could have had it wrong set on the other bike, I don't know, but I'm really happy with this pedal assist right here. Make a U-turn here. I'm not killing myself. I'm in two. Wow, two really picks it up. I'm never gonna need to be out of two. To get it out of this box, this Lectric ST 20-inch color black. It's got the comfort seat on it. I got the handlebars rolled down, as you can see back there. And she fits right in the back. How's that? Just by putting the handlebars down. She fits perfect back there. I rode it around with the shocks and the regular seat. The shocks off. It was okay. I unlocked the shocks and rode it around with the comfort seat. It's a little different. I mean, it does bounce up and down. I'm not sure if I like this fact that I'm sitting on the comfort seat and it makes like a little squishy feeling when you go over a bump. Not like smooth up and down, but a little kind of feeling. But that might be me, so we'll have to check that out. But other than that, this bike is doing the job. I mean, for $9.99, guys. Obviously $9.99 without the comfort seat and that little shock thing, but I'll be honest with you, I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal, but I'll find out. But this is a big plus right here, that this bike just fits right in my wheelhouse here. And the box is right here, but I'll remove this box, so I'm going to have to get something which I had before where I lock it up into here and up on those locks. Those locks up there too, so I worked out perfectly. And I'll get that going, find some comfort between the two, and then let's get this rolling.
Oh, you got a little ride now. Let's see if we can go take you for a ride.
The Lectric Bike is where it's going to be storing all the time. Sits right here inside the motorhome. Just wheel it in. Got it cabled down over here so it doesn't go anywhere. And that's where I kept my old bike, and that's where I'm going to keep this one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Please comment on this video. I appreciate it. Trying to do the reviews as best as I can to keep you advanced on what's happening. This Lectric, Lectric 2.0 XP, great bike for $9.99. You can't go wrong. I got the comfort package. I'm going to give that a couple months or a couple of weeks test on that and see how that goes. Still got that little sound that's happening down there by the brake, the disc brake pad, and I'll bring that in and get a checkup on one of the local maintenance guys. Other than that, I got this electric bike. I needed a bike, needed something to get inside the old ship there, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.